Bloc presidents of Youth Congress have served an ultimatum of 8 days to the GPCC president, Luizinho Faleiro, to revoke the suspension of district president and the general secretary, or else have threatened of mass resignations. South Goa district president Daesh Naik and General Secretary Gautam Bhagat have been suspended for not attending the party meetings, but they claim they did not get any intimation about the meetings.
Congress is abuzz with miscommunication between its members. Most of the bloc presidents of Pradesh Youth Congress met Luizinho Faleiro with one voice to revoke suspension of its two office bearers. They met GPCC president in Margao on Sunday. Daesh Naik and Gautam Bhagat have been suspended. They have received the suspension letter via mail.
ईमेल घालपी कोण आशिल्ले?
ईमेल घालपी ते आमची दिल्लीच्यान जे मनीस अपॉइंट केले कडेन आसात
नाव
इंचार्ज ते एक उत्कर्षा रुपावते आणि संदीप वाल्मिकी हे दोन इंचार्ज आसात. फक्त ओन्ली व्हॉट्सएपाचेर मेसेज घालता. फाल्यां मिटींग आसा म्हणल्यार आमकां रातची ओपन केल्यार बरी आसा, नाजाल्यार आमी सकाळीं ओपन केल्यार कळटा अरे मिटींग आसा म्हणून.
पॉइंटलेस एलिगेशनाचेर आमकां जेन्ना सस्पेंड करता तेन्ना काँग्रेसचो एक कार्यकर्तो एक ऑफिस बेरर ह्या नात्यान आमी आमचें मन दुखता, डिमोरलायज जाता.
कितें आसा सपोज जर तुगेले 8 दिसां भितर जर सस्पेन्शन रिवोक जायना जाल्यार आमी सगळे टोटल मास रेजिग्नेशन दिता म्हणून.
हे सस्पेन्शन बेगींतल्या बेगीन रिवोक करचें.
हांवें फोन मारलो EIC secretary in charge of Youth Congress at Delhi, हेगडे, आनीक हाचेर आपण ताबडतोब अभ्यास करता, स्टडी करता, and I will ensure that there is no injustice done to them.
Reported Dacharaj Naik for Prudent.
Senior officers of Goa police claims that Calangute police had no clue about the demolition of alleged dance bars. Police came to know about the demolition only after receiving a call from bar owner. Police also claims that demolition took place between 2 to 3 p.m. But locals say that demolition drama was going on since 11. Prudent questions the delay in police action and its probable consequences.
A mob of 300 to 400 people on 21st February demolished 4 suspected dance bars in Calangute. Role of Calangute police is under question for the inaction during those tense 2 to 3 hours. Even after 1 week, unanswered question is that what was the Calangute police doing at that time when people were taking law in their hands? STPDO Calangute told to Prudent that demolition of bars took place between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Police came to know about the incident at 3:15 p.m. when bar owners called police. Another senior police officer told Prudent that after demolition, FIR was registered on the complaint of bar owners. But the senior officer could not give a satisfactory answer. Were Calangute police not aware about gathering of mob of 300 to 400 locals? What was the beat constable and PI doing? Were Calangute police waiting for a formality of police complaint? Or Calangute police was silent spectator under some pressure? Sources say that then PI Rajesh Kumar was transferred due to his prima facie negligence in handling the situation. But this transfer doesn't seem more than an eyewash, as he has been transferred to Saligaon PS, which runs from the same premise. Just a change of seat. New PR of Calangute is also facing department's show cause notice in John Fernandez assault case. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Intelligence inputs indicate a threat perception from terrorist and anti-social elements in the state who may use Wi-Fi facility for anti-social activities which may be detrimental to the security of the country and state. Report has been received from the Superintendent of Police, South Goa District, Margao. The authority has stressed a need to impose restrictions on the use of Wi-Fi facility in commercial sector.
Report has been received from the Superintendent of Police, South Goa District, Margao, that intelligence input indicate a threat perception from terrorists and anti-social elements in the state who may have used Wi-Fi facility for anti-social activities in the state. To prevent the misuse of Wi-Fi facility, District Magistrate has issued the following directions to the owners of hotels, lodging and boarding, guest houses, including religious and other accommodation, cyber cafes, and other commercial establishments. Every establishment, hotel, etc. that desires to get Wi-Fi facility should be registered with the appropriate government authority. Only secure password protected Wi-Fi facility to be offered to customers. In case password is given to any customer, there must be a record of such customer that are using the Wi-Fi facility for the establishment or hotels. The identity of the customer user shall be established through government identity card only, like voter card, driving license, smart card, passport, etc. If any activity of the Wi-Fi user is of suspicious nature, the owner of the hotel or establishment shall immediately inform the nearest police station. The records so maintained to be made available to the police authorities for checking at any point of time. This order will be in force with effect from 26 February 2015 and shall be effective for a period of 60 days. Any person contravening this order shall be punishable under Section 188 of Indian Penal Code. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.